Hi, my name is Jason Vong and this is Vivienne, and together we run a YouTube channel where we do camera reviews and provide free photography and videography tutorials. Over the past couple of years, we have grown over 200,000 subscribers and have successfully made vlogging our full-time career. So in this 3-part series, we would love to share with you guys a glimpse of what it's like to create videos for the internet and how you can get started in vlogging. In episode 1, we're going to define what vlogging is. What is the secret formula to create a successful vlog? How to grow an audience and how to generate income from vlogging. Then in episode 2, we're going to focus on how to shoot a vlog, the actual process, how to talk to a camera, especially when you're an introvert like I am, and how to vlog in public. Dun dun dun! And finally, in episode 3, we're going to go over how to edit for engagement, how to package your content like titling your video and creating a thumbnail, and part with you some long-lasting advice to keep that vlogging momentum going. So first off, what is a vlog? What is vlogging? Generally, when people hear the word vlog or vlogging, they tend to picture someone talking to the camera like this in public. That's definitely one aspect of vlogging, but it doesn't have to be done in public. It can be something as simple as this, a sit-down style video in the comforts of your own home, talking about whatever you want. If we break down the word vlog, essentially it's 2 words, video and blog, combined. And like blogging, you can write about whatever you want. So vlogging, you can vlog about whatever you want, however you want. So, what kind of vlog should you make? You are the creator. You have a lot of power in your hands. So I would say start off with something that interests you. Maybe it's your passion or your hobby. For me personally, I love talking about camera gears. I started my YouTube channel talking about the different cameras that I use and the different lenses that I buy. But the important thing is you want to make sure that you are making the videos that you want to watch. Now this is important because that's how we're gonna build an audience. Think back to the time where you found an inspirational video or a funny meme that you shared with your friends and they've also reacted positively to it. Likely there were hundreds, thousands, 100,000 other people out there who've also found that video inspirational or that image funny as well. By keeping that in mind, by making the videos that you want to make, there are other people out there who would want to watch it as well. Now, what do a lot of these vlogs have in common? Ultimately, they foster curiosity. Let's break this down. Think about the videos that you like to watch. Do these videos help answer a question or teach you something? As a creator, you can help foster the viewer's curiosity by making these types of videos like tutorials. This is commonly seen in beauty and makeup channels and even cooking channels. But don't worry, you don't have to be an expert to be a creator. You can also bring the viewers along with you as you explore your own curiosity. Take the viewers along with you on your journey of learning something while documenting the process. This is commonly seen in product review channels, gaming channels, and even travel channels. Ultimately, a vlog piques curiosity through objective, thumbnail, and titles, and by the end of the vlog, it should answer a question. Anyways, I'm getting a little parched right now. I'm gonna get Vivienne in here to continue sharing a little bit more about what we do.
Now we talked a lot about YouTube, but I want you to know that a lot of these principles we're going to be covering in this series can be applied to other social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook. Ultimately, you should work with the platform you know best because you are going to be creating a community. So how do you create a community? You create a community by engaging with your audience. Making videos is half the fun, but engaging with your audience is also really fun too. At the start, you may only have one person watching your vlogs, but it can evolve to 2, 4, 8, 10, 50, 100, 500, 1,000 people. You want to foster that community and you want to grow it. You can do that in a number of ways. You can reply to their comments, you can go live to engage with them, read their suggestions, or even shout them out in your videos. Ultimately, your community is going to be supporting you and the content you make. Now, this is starting to sound like a lot of work. It actually can be. So it's important to have fun while you're doing all of this. However, it's also work that can pay. Jason and I were able to make YouTube our full-time career, but it can also be a great supplemental income. So how a YouTuber makes money actually comes from various sources. So the most common one is AdSense. So this is a small commission that YouTube pays you for letting them run ads in your videos. Though honestly, it's not that much nowadays. So the second one is affiliate marketing. So if you're planning on making videos that feature products or lifestyle, you can actually earn a small commission from stores if you link your viewers to the website where they can purchase the products from. Third is merchandising. So you can create items to sell. It could be physical things like bags, hats, tote bags, shirts, or even digital merchandise. Lastly, sponsorships and brand deals. So companies can approach you to create videos for them that live on your channels or to feature their products in your videos. This is a touchy territory for some viewers, so just make sure that the companies you want to partner with are trustworthy, aligned with your brand, and make sense for you to partner with. This is actually a great way for you to work with some of your favorite brands.
So now that you got a little peek behind the curtain, how can you get started in vlogging? There's really no secret to it. Just simply start. I often hear people say they'll start making their first vlog when they have all the right gear, or when work slows down for them, or when they get into a better shape. But truth be told, as generic as this sounds, there is no better time to start than now. Those are just excuses keeping you away from making your first vlog. But trust me, your first vlog, it may not be perfect, it may not have a lot of views, but you will learn a lot from it, and you can take what you learn to make your second video better, and your third video better, and your fourth video better. But most importantly, I want you guys to have fun. If you guys enjoyed making the video and had fun making the video, then that's a win. So if this all sounds very interesting to you and you want to learn more, then tune into the next episode where we talk about how to shoot a vlog, some tips and tricks of talking to the camera, and how to vlog in public, which can be daunting for some folks like myself. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.